everyone. Did you have your nice day of one? Did you have your one day nice of summer? Well, guess what? There's extra school now! Yay! Why aren't you guys cheering? Because you hate school? You know what? Slap on the wrist to all of you. You get all your getting slapped on the wrist. Stop crying. Stop crying. I don't care if you're sad or mad that I just give you the 10. I am 7 foot. I am 7'7". I am Wemby. I will beat you up. You're about to get slapped on the wrist. How's the weather down there?